How can 1 times 1 equaling 1 be part of the multiplication table?
If I give you this crypto wallet one time, you will have one crypto wallet because I only gave you one time. So 1 times 1 is 1. If I give you two crypto wallets 2 times, you will have 4 crypto wallets because I gave you two times. So 2 times 2 is 4. If I give you any crypto wallet 0 times, you will have no crypto wallet because I did not give you. So anything times 0 is 0. Now, speaking of crypto, what has been going on with it lately? Because it does look a lot like it was about a month ago. But a plethora of things have happened under the hood. So let's open that bonnet. Over the past month or so, we've had celebrities launching their own coins, like Kylie Jenner's father right here. Others, including Davido, whom apparently is available now, and Iggy Azalea, launching their coins at random. While a lot of people are despondent from some of these launches, which you can see from the Jenner example, it does, however, looks like Iggy Azalea is more serious with her stuff. I mean, you can see from the chart right here. Anyway, that's it for the soap opera for the past month or so. In more serious news, the SEC approved a spot Ethereum ETF. In light of this news, Ethereum did a small move to the upside, but it's basically back to where it was before the news. However, this does mean something good for Ethereum for the long term. We are getting that adoption, so it is generally good for our business. But again, we all know that for our industry to experience goodness, it will ultimately depend on what Bitcoin is doing. Now, Bitcoin has basically been in the same place forever. However, the worst case scenario I can see for now is a move down to about 65k and 63k. The best case scenario, it goes straight up. No retracement, no bad days, moon. I have reasons to believe that we are in this type of situation right here, where we break the all-time high, retrace, consolidate, and shoot up with little to no retracements. That might be what will be coming for this thing. If we are to factor in what we have on the chart right here, it will take us to 100k and beyond. Of course, 100k will most likely cause a retracement because that's what everybody has been waiting for. Now, the question is, will a move like that on Bitcoin be good for altcoins? Because, well, that's where we really make the money. To know that, we must look at Bitcoin's dominance. How much of the market capitalization is in Bitcoin alone, and will it flow out of Bitcoin into alternative coins? Well, as I made note of some time ago here on Understanding Crypto, the most I can see for Bitcoin's dominance is a move up to about 61 to 65%. Now, understand this because there is a lot of misconception on media about Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin is strongly moving to the upside, there is a very high likelihood that its dominance will also increase because most of the money will be flowing into Bitcoin. In fact, altcoin traders may trade their altcoins for Bitcoin to capitalize on that move up, which means that altcoins might not be having a strong move up as compared to Bitcoin, but they will not be dumping either because it will generally be a good sentiment in the market as Bitcoin is going up. Now, after that move to the upside, after the explosive move to the upside, as it starts to consolidate or slowly range upwards, Bitcoin investors may get bored and start to move their Bitcoin back into altcoins. This greatly affects altcoins that are paired to Bitcoin positively. So if you find someone saying that Bitcoin dominance is going to go up, he is not necessarily saying that altcoins are going to drop. They will only drop if Bitcoin dominance was to go up in a Bitcoin to USDT drop. Because if Bitcoin is dumping against USDT or USD, then there will be a lot of fear in the markets and people will start to sell their riskier assets first, and that is altcoins, starting from the lower caps. So in this environment where everyone is fearful as Bitcoin is dropping, things like Solana or say Chainlink or Cardano may be dropping 10 to 20%, and some shitcoin would be dropping 40%. In investors would be selling those altcoins back for Bitcoin as they are in fear of what is to come. Whereas it could just be a retracement. Hopefully you understand this Bitcoin dominance thing, because some people confuse it with an altcoin ultimate dump. No, it must not be a dump for altcoins if Bitcoin is to rally. So after a move up right here, which is for Bitcoin dominance, note that it's not a must that it has to go up there. It's just what the chart suggests that it can do. After that move, or if it does not happen, I will be expecting a severe drop on Bitcoin dominance. As to when this will happen is up for debate. We cannot know when. We can only use the chart to analyze and forecast what would happen or what can happen, but we have no time axis here to try and guess when that will happen. Historically, however, altcoins have rallied from the end of the halving year to the post-halving year. Factored into this year, it will mean that altcoins start their triumphant rally by December this year into next year. However, the problem with this history is we seem to be doing things more advanced than the previous years. The reason why I say this is because we've never had a new all-time high before the halving, which we did have this time. So perhaps we actually rally sooner than we all expect. If you are in my Telegram channel, then you would have heard me saying this numerous times. Now, that's pretty much it for the markets, folks. We are in the same place where we were before. A lot of you have been asking where I've been and all that. But I told you 2 months ago that I will have to be off duty for 2 months. And I am finally back now. So see you in the next video. Stay safe.